Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel TechReignsWithSandeep. So today we are going to discuss switch statement in PHP, and we will also see the below points, like we will see the comparison between if else versus switch, break keyword, what is default block, what is empty case, and why switch faster. So just move ahead to our code editor. Let's create a file. Switch.php. You can take any name. PHP tags. So we will start with if else. Let's say $I is equal to 0, means $i's are variable and it's having the value of 0. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, let's try to run this program for seeing the output. Value is 0. Okay, because we put the value as 0 in I. If we put s2, we will get the output value is 2. You can see value is 2. Okay, so how we can achieve the same thing with the help of switch statement? So here you can see in switch we have taken the $I and we just create a case, like there are multiple case 1 2 3, which is the value of I. Okay, so this is the syntax of writing switch case or switch statement. So what is exactly doing here? In switch case, it takes the condition and it's compare the condition by each case. Like the condition first we will be comparing here, then in this block, then in this block. So try to run program and see what will be the output. Here you can see the same output, values 2, values 2. Okay, but one thing, what is the difference between two? As you can see in if else block, every time the comparison happening, every time is comparing the thing. Okay, but in switch case, comparing done only at once, only the result is comparing with the condition. Here you can see the condition coming at every case. So this is the only reason by which switch can act as faster as compared to if else block. We can put some expression here also, but that expression need to return some value. That value can be compared with all the cases. With all the cases. So now our next point is what is break, which is required. In every block, we need to break the block. Now see the difference? No difference. Let me just comment it. Its work is done. I is equal to 2. Okay. Now only one output will coming. If I put I is equal to 0, what will happen? Without break. If suppose there is no break, so what will happen? This block only get printed, but it will not. Here you can see all three block get printed. Why? This is the mechanism of switch. If there is no break will be found when executing the switch statement in case block, so it will move it to the next case and it will do continue till the switch close bracket is found. But what our requirement? Our requirement is that once it is get the desired result, it should exit from the switch case. That's why we need a break. But one question is here, when we putting 0, then it's printing the all three block, but when we putting 2, then why it is printing only 1? Because the case 2 coming into the last one. After that there is no block to execute it. That's why the only one block is coming. If we put it as a 1, then last 2 block will get executed, 1 and 2. Let me show you the output. You can see 1 and 2. Okay, so break is required in every block. Now we have put I is equal to 1, so only this block will get executed. Here you can see the output. What is default block? In our last video when we were discussing about if else ladder, like if, else if, else if, else if, and there was a else block, means when there was no condition is met, like no if or else if condition found to be true, then what will happen? The default else condition will get executed. The same thing will happen in switch case also. If no case will get executed, then default case will get executed. We can put any okay. So we try with different number like 11. As you can see, there is no case for 11. So what will happen? This will get false, this will also get false, this will also get false. So this default case will run. Let's see the output. Here you can see default case will be execute. Okay. One point is left, like there is no necessary condition that every case will have a body. Like it could be possible that case 1 can be empty or case 2 can be empty. So what will happen? So for the both case, or you can say for the all case, this will be the output. If we put I is equal to 1, then this output will come. If we put I is equal to 0, then this output will come, and for 2 also. Let's run our program. Here you can see values 2. While this output is coming on when we are putting I is equal to 1. So for all three cases, this is the output. Okay. So we will in our next video we will discuss about functions. What are functions in PHP? Function is one of the most important topic in PHP. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.